So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It is a beautiful day today here in Pennsylvania, and it's starting to warm up. This big old red oak right here, it provides some really nice shade in the morning, but it only lasts for a couple hours. And then this area right here gets full sunlight the rest of the day. But this is a massive tree right here. That's about that's probably 4 feet in diameter at the base. Big red oak right there. But anyway, we're down here at the wood yard this morning cutting and splitting some firewood. I was working on some of that red oak that came from over at the neighbors and stacking it in this bay right here. Like I mentioned the other day, this wood will not be ready to burn until the 23-24 winter. But next on the agenda, we're going to take a basket of bundle wood up by the house, and we're going to try out that firewood bundler that I bought at the Paul Bunyan show last year. This is a nice basket of bundle wood right here. This is all red oak. Looks like some cherry and maybe just a touch of maple in here. Everything's split real small, bark free, really nice stuff. This will make some nice bundle wood. What we're going to do today is kind of a test, just to get an idea how many bundles we can make per hour, kind of see how it goes, feel our way into it. And what I'll do, we'll bundle it all up and we'll put it inside the building. Now this wood here, I tested several pieces with a moisture meter. It is ready to burn right now, right at about 20%. But what I want to find out is if once it's bundled and stacked in the building, if it still continues to dry okay. So that's what we're going to kind of figure out. We'll probably just bundle up maybe about 20 bundles or so and see how it goes. Kind of just like a little test. All right, so this is the WB120 Automatic Wood Bundler. We bought this last fall at the Paul Bunyan show. It's manufactured by GCR Company. I'll put a link in the description if anyone's interested. I just set it up here temporarily. Nice spot here in the shade. Got a nice basket of bundle wood right there. And I have a pallet right here. What I'll end up doing is building like a box around some pallets, but we're just going to fill this one up, see how it goes, just try to get an idea how long it takes to make each bundle. Some nice red oak right here. Kind of have to pick and choose a little bit to get a nice tight bundle. All right, you want to try this out, Melissa?
I'm ready.
All right, see how you do.
Mike is so competitive.
No. Guess we could be wearing gloves.
I should have my gloves, you're right. Just hit right there. Okay, let's go cut it.
Nice job, Hunter. He's kind of intrigued by this. That's beautiful. right, so things are coming along. What are your thoughts so far, Melissa?
I actually like it. I like doing it. To me, it's a puzzle of some sort.
As far as this setup goes, what would you do different?
This needs to be moved behind me, maybe.
Behind you, or at least that way some?
Yeah, this corner is in my way.
All right. So daughter Eva just got home from school. What do you got there, Eva?
Got my pottery pieces. This one I made by hand. It's called a T-bowl, and then I made a mug on the wheel. And the black glaze went all over, but it was supposed to look like that on the inside. I think the insides of both of them look better than the outsides do, but
I think they're pretty.
I think I'll take it next year too.
Pretty
I
nice.
have a couple more projects coming home soon.
Do you?
Yep.
How many more days of school?
I don't know, 5-ish,
5-ish.
maybe.
So Eva works at, what do you do? What's your job, Eva?
Crumble Cookies.
Outside.
Crumble Cookies. Well, we're going to show you the firewood bundler here, and I'm going to try to hire you away from Crumble, okay?
Okay.
All right, Melissa, you want to show her how to run this?
Competition's tough. I like the benefits of a nice hot cookie. A nice fork. All right, so
Look at her jumping right into
yeah,
it
so
here.
you want this right. The corners you want square, and just make sure that what you can do, or I've done, is like tuck it up in there.
And then jam a piece in the middle.
Perfect.
No, that's not big enough.
Yeah, put it in. Okay, now next layer. Yeah, we'll probably need gloves for these.
Yeah, we definitely need some gloves.
Nice. Very good. Just shove it up.
This could be the best one yet.
I know, she's actually doing very good.
She's a natural.
Yeah.
So how much does Crumble sell cookies for?
$4.25.
$4.25 for a cookie. Now they are a quality cookie and they're huge.
They are. We've made it where our family will split one cookie because whew,
We actually,
packing on the weight.
now that goes down underneath.
Right. So you're gonna take it and then pull from here up and around, and this piece, the end piece,
That's, that guy needs a muffler.
there. So you're gonna do that. That's how I do it.
Now
Then
show
come
her.
over here and hit the start
And this is going to spin around so watch it doesn't hit you.
4 times.
It'll just, you can let go of it.
Wow.
Now you're gonna come over here and grab the box cutter. And I cut off about right here.
And then you,
And this end piece, I'm gonna stretch it up a little more. And when you stretch, it just has that tension where you can press it up against, pull it up out,
you can set it right by that one.
and kind of just stagger, yeah. Yeah, that looks very good. I'm not sure what happened to mine.
And then, check this out, Eva. There's actually
Wow.
a little knife holder.
Nifty.
So how does this compare to making cookies?
Depends what the pay is.
Depends what the...
What's the section sell for, right?
Yep. Is that $4.25?
More than that.
$6.25?
I'd say about $9, $10.
Yeah, these are really big bundles. We'll have to decide what we're going to sell them for, but good quality wood, real big bundles. Pretty nice. It's a nice machine now.
Yeah, it's nice.
So do you work tonight at Crumble?
No, tomorrow. I
What-
coach at the gym tonight.
Okay.
Yep,
How many nights a week do you do that? Twice?
twice.
Okay. Well, your mom and I are going to make some more bundles, but we'll get you back on the firewood bundler. And did you notice Hunter is just kind of taking it all in right now? He's been helping a little bit. I think we'll be able to get him to do some. He likes to watch it all first and see how it goes, and then we'll see how that works out. All right, Eva, go get ready for the gym.
Maybe we should see if the subscribers think we should get another puppy.
No, I'll edit that out.
Piper wants one.
The other two are in the house napping.
Yeah. Archie doesn't nap.
So far made about 16 bundles. Doesn't take long at all. and it makes really nice tight bundles. Works out really well. I noticed as you do it, you start getting a little faster and faster, and you figure out little tricks and things. But I timed myself for 3 different bundles, and I'm not rushing around or anything like that, just kind of putzing around a little bit, and it averaged out to about a minute and 55 seconds per bundle. So that's not too bad at all, really. That's pretty quick. And I also noticed Melissa's a little bit more generous with the wood than I am. I try to go right to the top of this, make 1 cubic foot bundles. Some of hers were a little bit higher than that, but you know, whatever. There, I'm going up above a little bit now. So we do split this pretty small, but we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces. I've seen 9 pieces, 10, and I think the most is like this one right here, 11 pieces of wood. So this is what we made so far. There's about 21 bundles here so far, I think. About half a basket used so far, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, it works really well. Nice tight bundles, nice big bundles. This was a great purchase. And like I said, I'll put a link in the description if anyone is interested in one of these. So before we wrap this video up, I want to show you all these hats Melissa's been making.
The Mossy Oak.
She's already shipped a couple hundred so far.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and I placed an order for more hats because I want you to get your hat before Father's Day. Father's Day is about a month away. And the special we have, anything you spend $40, you can get a free Outdoors with the Morgans decal. That'll go in your order. That ends at the end of May. So you're gonna wanna take advantage of it now.
Now what are all these colors? You have real Mossy Oak, real tree.
Slate gray with the white mesh back, gray with the orange back, mocha or like chocolate brown with the sand back. I have the digital camo matching back, and Mike has the chocolate brown with light off-white mesh back. So this is the softest one, and it's more flexible. And as you can see, this one doesn't give as much.
Yeah, these are all more structured.
This is just flop it in your gym bag or wherever, maybe your back pocket, and then you're gonna throw it on. This is very versatile, but these have more form to them and more shape, so.
But I'll put a link in the description, and I'll pin a comment as well.
I appreciate that.
And do you want to wrap this video up, Melissa?
Yeah, thanks so much for being here and being a part of this. We sure do like that and enjoy the interaction. Make sure you leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one.